I hope you like this.
Yeah.
Your shirt.
Daddy, Mommy, I'm ready.
Hope you've eaten.
Yes, Mommy.
I don't. You just read your book. Once I'm done, I'll go make jello fries for you.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
Oh yeah, now.
Bye
Take
bye.
care of yourself.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye. Is she not?
No waste for me.
Very good.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. I'm off to school.
Hey, yeah. You are off to school.
Yes, ma.
Mommy, good morning. Daddy, good morning. And where do you think you're growing up your uniform?
School.
School. And your late mother will come from her grave and help you sell those fruits I left at the backyard. You know you're very stupid. Come on, will you go inside and remove this nonsense?
Daddy, please help me, beggar. Please, Daddy.
Yeah, Choma. Do you know what I hate the most? A stubborn person. And that has always been the case of your mother. And where does it lead her to? To the grave. Your stepmother said that you should go and sell.
You don't
That's the same business you have to do.
Come here. Talk too much.
I mean, you can remove that uniform.
No. Don't talk. With the soup there. Let me see how you go to school. Come on, will you get out of my sight? Are you still there? How will I go at 2 hours now? Stupid girl. And where are you two coming at this time of the day?
Ma, we are coming from the school. Our form teacher was addressing us, and besides, he gave us our results.
Will you shut up? Did I ask you if they give you anything? Eh? And you? This one, your face is like this. Let me see your own result.
Mommy, our teacher didn't give us our result. She said when school reopens, she'll give it to us.
When school reopens? Is it true? Which one is when school reopens? I will pay for your school fees. They won't give you your result. Then when school reopens, this girl, I don't trust you. I don't trust you because sometimes you behave like your father. Let me see your bag. I said, let me see your bag. Which one is when school reopens? Hi! Wow. Only biscuit. Let it not be you're saying the truth though. Is this not her result? Come on, hold this back. This is not her result. You are lying to your mother. I said it that you're spoiling my daughter for me. You taught her how to lie. Rose. Hey! 29 out of 30. After all the money I've been spending on you, you still went and came 29 out of 30. So only one person. Hey! Hey! Did I ask you your position? What did you just say? First. And you are so excited. Why are you so happy? When you cannot even teach my daughter anything? Eh? The only thing you know how to do is to play with her. You can't even teach her what will help her in her life. Come here, this girl. Come here, stupid girl. First, you want me to start jubilating. Listen to me. Just hold your ear. Hold your 2 ears. I didn't say you should hold your own, not you. Hold it very well. If my husband comes back and asks you your position in class, tell him you came 29 out of 30. No. 30 out of 30. What did I say? Hi. I said 30 out of 30. What did I say? Hold your ears. 30 out of, give me 30. You have to leave for class, you see. And to tell your father your own is first out of 30. What did I say? First. So stop smiling. Your brain, you have to look. You can't just say first. Your father won't believe you. At least third out of 30. What did I say? Third out of 30. That's my daughter. As for this result, I will use it with firewood to cook. Oh yeah, Halele.
And where do you think you're going?
I'm going inside.
My friend, take this. Do my assignment. Open the bar, you see my note and my assignment. Make sure I don't fail you tomorrow.
Wait. Please now, let me go inside and rest more. I had a stressful day.
You're still talking.
Sorry.
Mommy!
Sorry. I will do it. Sorry.
did I forget about you? My favorite niece. My brilliant and bright baby. Now that your mother, my sister, is late, I am now your mother. I just forgot about you just like that. I will go and look for you. Wherever you are. I will go and look for you. How did I even forget you in the first place? My own baby. I shouldn't have done that, Chioma. I am going to look for you. And wherever you are, I will find you. Chioma. God. My baby.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh. Good morning.
And what will you be having for breakfast?
Listen, I don't think I'll be eating this morning, okay?
Okay, ma'am. But hope all is well.
How much is here? This one? I got
This one 500.
500?
This one 700.
Ha! They are expensive now. Eh? Hey, can I pay 400 for this?
Let me give 60.
Hey, Mbano. 400, I want to take 3, please.
I take it 600. Let me just put it out for my
600 and it's expensive now. I want to take 3 for 400. That is 1, 2, please. I should bring. Oh, thank you. Dalo. But the yams are not even big. It's not. This one that I'm looking at. Eh? Please give me change. much is fish? 500. Is it not 300? Isn't it 300? I want to buy it too, please.
Buy your sweet orange.
I'm not buying orange, leave me.
Auntie, your sweet orange. The orange is...
Chioma.
Auntie Helen.
Chioma.
Auntie Helen.
What are you doing here? Eh? Why are you not in school? You were selling orange. Why? Chioma. Please, take this. We're leaving this place. Please, I'll come back and buy it. Oh, yeah? Go.
You're welcome.
Okay, I saw Chioma on the road hawking orange. Why? Does it mean that you and your wife cannot afford to put this girl in school for me? Why was she outside hawking oranges? For what?
Hey. Yeah. Don't even call my name. Don't mention my name. So you have the right, the guts, the authenticative authority to come to my house and talk to my husband anyhow. Or ask me or tell me how to run my home. Who are you to dictate for me? Tell me.
Are you done?
Don't try me your eggs. I will eat you raw.
Don't you have shame?
Shame?
If you're like wrong in Eru. Don't you have shame? I'm asking you.
It's you that is shameless. It's you.
I am
shameless. Yes.
And you cannot afford to put her in school.
Helen, upon all the money you have in this life, you didn't carry Shoma to take care of her then. Now that I have finished touching her up, look at her. Look at my daughter. Look at her. Am I not taking care of you?
Yeah, Helen, my in-law.
What?
You came all the way from the city to insult me in my house? Like, take this jackal and leave my house.
Wait, brother Chalo. Is this what you call house? This is a house. Why can't you just tell me you're living in a dustbin and I can understand it? This place is what you call a house. Does it look like a house to you? This ghetto.
Oh, one more.
This ghetto is what you call a house, and you have the mouth to say it.
Yeah, Helen. I've been very polite with you.
And so?
If you don't leave, take this jackal out of my compound.
Yes. Can you afford it?
See,
can you afford it?
Take this your accidental car out of my compound.
Can you afford it?
Take it out.
I'm asking you, can you afford it? I will not leave this ghetto, this dustbin, until Chioma comes with me. Nothing again.
Never. Chioma is going nowhere.
Chioma is coming with me.
She is my daughter. She's going nowhere.
Chioma is coming with me.
Yeah. Chioma is my daughter.
Yes.
And decide where she stays.
Okay. Suddenly, that slave that sells orange on the streets is now your daughter. I will go home, but I'm going straight to the police station. Number 1. Then I'll go to Ministry of Welfare. Secondly, just prepare. Both you and your wife will meet me in court. So stay with that.
Hey!
Bia, don't worry, you can go with her.
Oh, you're suddenly afraid.
Ekene, shut up if you don't know what to say. Are you scared of police, Ministry of Works, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Welfare? Chioma is going nowhere. She's my daughter. You know I love you. Hold me, Jiden Negaka. She's not going nowhere. What we want, I love her.
You love her and she couldn't go to school.
Oh. Let me come.
No, go with her.
Oh, okay. Really?
If we don't jump,
It's here, go with her.
if I see you in this house, I'll kill you.
I will not come to a ghetto. I don't Chioma. Are you going with her?
Take this thing.
What about my orange? The orange you carried to the... My orange! Do you know what you are... Do you know what you are...
Wait.
My orange now that this woman is a thief. She went to my orange now. Eh?
Jane! Jane!
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Okay.
Please, I want you to take her to that room close to mine. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure she's comfortable. Hmm? This is my daughter. You know the same respect you are called me with in this house.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give her the same respect. Eh?
Okay.
Make sure she's comfortable and come back. Let's prepare something for her to eat, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, go with her.
Please come with me.
Just feel free. Eh?
Ogechi, don't you want to give me food to eat? It's now past 3 p.m. I don't want to give me food to eat. Don't you know I'm hungry?
Yeah, you are hungry. Ew.
You mean you're not bothered about it?
Hey, why won't I be bothered? Ekene, you are hungry. You are a fool. Ekene, you are a big fool. So, you think that after sending away the girl that helps me to make money in this house, that I, Ogechi, will manufacture food for you to eat? Ekene, you are a joker. Nonsense.
Ogechi, are you trying to deprive me of my right? Are you trying to deprive me from eating in my house?
Ewo, also who you go? Nah, is it deprive? No, now. Eh? You didn't give me money to cook. Eh? It's when you give me money to cook and I didn't cook the food. That's when you will say that I deprived you. But this one, or probably nature is sepe, or eh, that's when you will speak this English and I will understand it. You are a fool. Ekene, let me tell you, it's high time you start making money for food in this house. Yes, Chioma is no longer there. Now, stand up as a man and face your responsibilities.
Ogechi, do you realize I'm your husband?
Eho.
Are you talking to me like that?
I talk. Please, look at him. Hungry man. The thing is really affecting you. As you can see, I'm dressing up because I'm going out. I'm depriving you. Useless man. Look at him. I deprive.
Thank you, Auntie Helen, for bringing me out of that house. Sometimes I wish I could just die there.
Really? I should be the one that is supposed to apologize for coming this late. I should have done that earlier than now. I don't know what kept me. Since your mother, my sister, died, I should have been there to bring you out of that dustbin. But I'm so sorry. Please find it in your heart to forgive me, okay? Please.
There's nothing to forgive.
You know, since I do not have any child, you are now my child, okay? And I promise to give you everything a mother will provide for her child. Be it care, affection, protection, love, everything. I am going to give it to you, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
I would like to call you Mom.
Sure, you can. Feel free and call me Mom, okay? You are not my child. You know that. Good. Come.
The food is ready. You can now go.
Okay. Please go and eat my child, okay? Make sure you're okay.
Thank you, Auntie Jane. The food was very delicious.
You're welcome.
Mommy said I'll be starting school tomorrow. I can't wait to go to school. I really miss school a lot.
So what class are you?
I'm in GSS 2. Do you know when I was in the village, I don't usually go to school all the time because I'm a stepmother, but I come first in the class all the time.
Wow. So do you think you'll be able to score first now that you're in the city?
Yes! I hate to see anyone outsmart me in an exam or test. I'm serious. I can get sick for days if that happens.
Wow. That means you have to study hard so you won't fall sick all the time. Because the kids here in the city, they are very, very brilliant.
Are you serious?
I am more than serious.
I'll still outsmart them.
So let's watch out then.
Yes, I can't wait to start school. I just wish tomorrow would just wish. Now.
Eddie, where is Chioma?
Are you mad? Don't you know how to pray?
Daddy, good morning, sir. Where is Chioma?
Well, for your information, Choma has moved to the city and she's no longer staying with us.
Why do you allow her to go to the city now? You push her and bring her back home.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? So you cannot do your homework. That's why you're looking for Choma. Choma should come all the way from the city to do your homework for you. Like mother, like daughter.
That one is not my business. So you push her and bring her back home. Go and bring her back now. Go and bring back Chioma now.
Good afternoon, class. Yes, sir. How are you? Fine, sir. I hope your night was full. Yes, sir. Like I said before, I don't want Malian movement. What did I say? I don't want Malian movement. Are you guys here with your tests, your assignments? Yes, sir. Are you sure? Yes, sir. All right. But before that, there is something I want to let you all know. Listen, we are the best in our society today. We want the best. Am I taking it? Yes, sir. So on the topic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is this just a class?
Yes, this is yes. Who are you?
I'm a new student. My name is Choma Ikene.
Shema Ekene, a new student.
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. We have a new student in our midst. So what will you do? Greet her, welcome her.
You're welcome.
Good. So Choma, you're welcome to JSS 2.
Thank you.
You sit here. So like I was saying, I want you all to be the best. I want you all to be the best, okay? I want when you go out in the streets, the people will look at you and ask you, which school are you coming from? Then you tell them that you are coming from the best school in the world. What did I say? The best school in the world. Choma, you can jot something down. You know, later after the school you copy from Abigail. Okay. She'll tell you what to do. Now let's go back to our topic for today. Agriculture. Agriculture is the...
Indian equality, we have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So we have an example. Find the range of values of x for which 5x minus 4 is greater than 11. So we have 5x minus 4 is greater than 11. Or anything like this, 5x greater than 11.
Sam, and I'll show you what I'm made of.
Why are you laughing at me? Do you want me to beat you?
You will do no such thing. Try it and I'll beat you till you cry.
Do you know where I am in this school?
You are just a lousy bully. The worst thing you can do is to press my back. Do not test my patience, Joy.
I'll make you suffer in this school.
Thank you for coming to save me. You know it's going there. That's what. I hate bullies. And anytime he tries something with me, I'll show him what I'm made of. What's your name? My name is Chioma.
My name is Anne Williams. Can we be friends?
Yeah, sure.
Who am bring my dog?
Okay. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
That reminds me. So tell me, why did you
Oh, those boys. Forget them. They just tried to look for my throat.
What happened?
I'll tell you later, but not now. I'm hungry. What did you do?
How was school today?
School was fine.
Good.
The studies were not even much different than the one we have at the village.
Really?
I met a new friend today. Her name is Anna.
Wow! That's nice. I am on my way out. By the time I come back, you give me the full gist. Promise?
Promise.
Good. Please, take her inside.
Okay,
Let her
ma'am.
freshen up and have something to eat, okay?
All right, ma'am.
All right. Bye, baby.
Bye.
I'll see you.
You said you know everything about ya?
I did not say so. I only said I must strive to be the first at all times, and I would not like to be the least in my class.
That is to say, you know everything in wife and union.
Kokoro. I don't know how you understand things at times, so.
Don't mind me. Let me ask you some questions. But I expect you to answer them correctly. Huh?
Okay, go ahead.
What is a pronoun?
A pronoun. This is a type of noun that refers to another noun or noun phrase which cannot ordinarily be preceded by a determiner and rarely takes an attributive adjective. Examples of English includes I, you, me, when, etc.
Excellent. Now, define personification.
Personification.
Yes.
Personification, this is a literary devices where an inanimate object or idea is given to human qualities.
Bam. Excellence.
Thank you, Uncle Koro.
That was excellent. So now, spell personification.
Okay. Personification.
Wow. Inwe obolo. Iga school. Inwe ya. You get that. Iga school.
She's so brilliant.
Yes.
Wow.
Nwata, ịma akwụkwọ.
O God in heaven, bless and protect my father, for he has sinned against you by treating me bad. Bless and protect Auntie Helen, who is now my mom now. Keep her from all evil. Protect Rosie's mommy. Touch the heart of Rosie's mommy to stop being bad and wicked. Protect Auntie Jane. Protect Uncle Koro. Bless every one of them. I cover everyone with your blood. These are acts of you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Good morning. You woke up early.
Yes, I went to school late yesterday and I missed some lessons, so I don't want that to happen today.
I thought you were still sleeping.
No, I woke up before all of you. You, Mom, Uncle Koro. Maybe Uncle Koro is still sleeping, sir.
Alright, now enjoy your breakfast.
Okay, thank you.
How are you? Paul, I'm not fine. And don't call my name again because I can't remember the last time you asked after me.
Why will you say something like that?
Tell me now, when was the last time you bought something from me?
Don't you know I'm a big customer of yours? I can't do something like that, you know it.
How will I know when I've not seen you? You've not been coming around and you expect me to be happy with you.
I traveled. You say that you don't know that I traveled to Abuja.
Hey, Abuja.
Or have you been seeing me around that before?
Hey, it's true. I thought as much. I've not been seeing you.
Oh.
Hey. And when did you come back?
I came back yesterday.
This yesterday? Hey, Paul. That means your bag will still be heavy, very heavy.
Over heavy.
Really?
Yes, me.
So what did you buy for me?
I have a lot for you. But you know, you have to come to my place.
Hi. Paul, this is your house again. Paul, I don't trust you. I hope you won't do something stupid if I come. But all the same, I will come tomorrow.
Alright,
I will come.
No problem.
You want to buy something?
Yeah, I want tomatoes 300.
Eh.
Onions 100 naira.
Hey, yeah, tomatoes and onions. Because I've been missing you now. Which one I would like you? Okay, let me give you this one. I've not been seeing you. This one's supposed to be 500, but let me just give you as my big customer. Papa.
I will put Jara now. Look at it. Hey, what? The onions. Hey, I forgot this boy, eh? Hey, one is Jara, eh?
Hey. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you for coming. Hey, oh no. I will give you your change. The 600 naira, I will give it to you. I will keep it.
Relax, money.
I love money. I don't like money.
I'll be waiting for you tomorrow.
Tomorrow I will come.
Right.
Around the 11.
11.
Yes. I will be there.
All right.
Hey! Follow!
Whoa! You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
You can see that again.
I like the curtain. It's nice.
Thank you. I just wanna show you one of your room.
No, you have a nice place.
Thank you. They don't look bad.
Really?
Oh,
Thank you.
you never stop looking beautiful, you know.
Like seriously.
100%.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, just that I've not been happy. There's something I would love to share with you. I wouldn't want you to feel bad or start thinking it's too early for me to ask.
What is it?
Please, my business has been going up and down. I don't know if you can help me with like 40,000 naira to boost it.
Whoa.
Yes.
40,000. That's a huge sum of money, you know.
So are you telling me you won't give me the money?
It's not like I'll give you. I'll give you, but one condition. See, I must let you know this. It's a huge sum of money. So you giving out 40,000 out of your pocket is, you know what it is.
Oh, just make it clear. I'm not a kid. Okay?
Not a kid.
Yeah.
How about we go to my bedroom? What do you think?
Are you mad? You stupid.
Hello?
You mean I should sleep with you because of ordinary 40,000 naira? Will you shut up your mouth?
Alright.
Do I look like your mate? God! You said this to me, I don't blame you. I blame myself for coming to your house. Leave me alone! Excuse me.
I said I'm sorry.
I feel like giving you a gift from behind.
Oh, thanks so much, Sharon. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the money.
Community for you.
Thank you.
Did you know what?
Huh?
The t-shirt on your age.
You're stupid. Was that why you gave me 50,000 instead of the 40 I asked you?
For what you did there. Anything for you.
Thank you. Okay? Anytime you need me, just come to my stand.
Oh yeah?
And I'll make myself available for you.
You're doing well, fantabulous. Well, serious, believe me, this time I'm going to make plans and it's going to be a blast.
Relax, it's gonna be lit.
Oh!
But I enjoyed myself,
Listen, Lord, I am not impressed with all of you in this class. I am not happy with the result I am getting in this class. Just look at you. Just look at your faces. Can you explain to me what you wrote in this book? Huh? I've been telling you all, go home, read your book, rehearse on your studies, read your books and stop watching television. Yes, you come back in this class and write rubbish, jargons. What's the meaning of that? None of you will impress me in this class. Look at what you wrote there. Almost everybody was having 0 over 10, 0 over 10. Why? In fact, when the boy stand up. If you're a boy in this class, stand up. I say get up. Let me see your belts. Let me see if you're putting on belts. Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Oh, no belts. You're a Malian, right? What is your name? Junior. I know. Come on. Got 0 over 10. Junior, you scored 0. Kneel down there. Nonsense. Let me see your own. Let me see yours. What about you? And you? Sit down. Your ties, everybody. Put on your tie properly. What kind of nonsense is this? I'm so disappointed in all of you. Look at this girl, Choma. Choma that came to this class last week. She's the only one that got 10 over. Choma, stand up. Stand up. All of you, clap for her. I said clap for her. You're laughing. You're laughing. What's your name? Huh? Franklin. It's very obvious, Franklin. Your father has a big head and you have a big head too. Look at what you scored. 0 over 10. Choma here just came to the class last week. Just last week here and she scored 10 over 10. And tomorrow you come and say, and you're in the best school. You know why you're scoring 0. And your parents will come and bring you guys food, fried rice and chicken, and yet you cannot make them proud. Happy. Hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at there? You have a phone there with you. You have a phone. You're very lucky. Let me say like Namali. If I see your teeth again, I'll deal with you personally. You guys cannot make me happy. Always, because you want to leave the bell for school over now. You'll be the first to run and leave the school. I'm not even surprised. Because ever since this year came to this class, all she was doing was to read. Read, read. Even sometimes the school will close, she will still read. The next time again I see this kind of results in this class, you guys will be basically nonsense. Am I understood? Yes. Nonsense! In fact, who is the class monitor? Where is that class monitor? Where is she? Where is he or she? You, fat here. You are no more the class monitor in this class. You have been demoted. Choma, you are the class monitor now. Okay? Put your hands together for her. In that class. Take this book. Share. I'm not even interested. You kneel down. See, your class is down.
Someone is looking for you.
Anna, you came.
Let me leave you guys there.
Okay. Your house is beautiful. Thank you. Did you come with your textbook?
No. I came so that we'll go to the house together.
Okay. So where's your house?
It's not far. The next streets are back of the compound.
Oh, it's not far. Let me go and tell Auntie Jane, then we can go together.
Okay.
Hello. My dear, how are you? Jane, how are you? Well done.
Don't guess it.
My baby came first in their class.
Exactly. How did you know that, Mom?
How won't I know? You are the most brilliant princess ever.
Auntie Jane, did you hear that? I'm the most brilliant princess.
Yes, Mom is right.
And you're wrong. You never told me that before.
You know what? I will take you straight to Ghana for your holidays.
What? Thank you, Mom. so happy.
Yes, okay. I'll be in my room, okay? Let me relax a little bit.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to Ghana. My holiday.
I'll go with you. Hello, Jude. Yes? I'm fine, are you? What? My goods did what? Wait. The container got signed. Why? Oh, don't tell me to take it easy. Jude. Hello, Jude. Hi. Oh, God. What am I going to do? Where do I start from? I'm going to start from the scratch? What sort of news is this?
Mommy, what's the problem?
Chuma, please, let me be for you. I need to think, okay? Please.
Mommy, you can share it with me.
Oh, Chuma, don't you get it? I don't want to share anything. I don't want to talk about anything. I just need to be on my own for now. Do you understand?
But you can...
Wah. Please, I don't want those questions. Just go. Go. I'm not getting my eye here. What's the meaning of this? Where do I start from? Look at everything disappear just like that. Within a twinkle of an eye. All my goods. I don't understand. How can the whole container just disappear like that into the sea? Okay. Where do I start from? I'm going to start from the scratch? Is that what I should do? Coach, this is not fair. This is not fair. One bit. It's not fair.
What is wrong with Mommy? I went to see her and she's shedding tears.
Come here, my friend. At times, adults face challenges that makes them feel like the world is coming to an end. Which is, at this time, they need time to think and heal.
And Sunday school teacher told us that when we face certain challenges in life, that we should not live upon ourselves, but to God. For God is our shepherd and we shall not want.
You're right, my dear. So at this time, you give Mommy time to heal, okay? And Mommy will come back to you, don't worry. Come here.
So you're packing clothes?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Trying to arrange them.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're sleeping. How is she?
She's getting worse. If you have any money, give me. Let me take her to the hospital. Biko?
Money?
Yes.
You want to take her to the hospital?
Yeah.
Hey, why would I give you money? I'll give my husband money. Maybe I should give you all. What can I do? Ekele. You are a fool. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ekele. So if I give you this money, my hard-earned money, you will collect it. Hey! And one with you. Cow! So you, man of the house, is now asking me to perform your duties for you, eh? You can't even take care of your daughter. You know, come and take money. As for me, I'm going to the market and I think I have something very, very useful to do with this money. Maybe when I'm back, home with the can wipe Jai so for that. Oyan.
Mommy. Mommy, please don't go.
Mommy, you should be calling daddy, not mommy. He's the head and the tail, eh? Man of the house. You are here sleeping. Oyan. Look at him. Oh. I should give him one.
Don't worry, my daughter. I'll take care of you.
I'm not going to be this before you drink. Alright. So, I want to treat you. Oh, you went by road? Yeah. I missed you, dude. I'm shy. You didn't tell me that my hair is fine. I didn't touch the hair. It's nice. Wash the hair, feel free. Play like I'm your sugar mommy, feel free. Come up with the TV. If I'm telling you what to do, you're telling me no. You're crazy. They are 101%.
Somebody help! Get! Somebody! Hey! Hey, what? Get! Oh! Get!
You are still lying down here, eh? What kind of stupid father do you have? That cannot take care of you. Eh? Nobody is cold. Eh? Forgive me. I can, please.
Where has it been?
I'm owing both of you 1 month's salary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, here it is. Give her first. I'm not sending you away from this house, but it's a pity I cannot afford more money to pay you if you continue to stay here. So I want you to please go to somewhere else. Look for a job. At least so that I can better your lives instead of keeping you here and not be able to pay you. Please.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
We've already seen how things are. And I've decided to help you in whichever way I can because you're a good woman. Yes. Please, madam, keep your money. I will return back to the village. When I get to the village, I will pray for you. That God will turn things around for you. Please.
Same thing with me, man. Thank you for everything. The lessons and the love. I'll miss you, man.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Welcome, man.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I appreciate. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
Jane and Okura no longer with us. Please, from now henceforth, I want you to be in charge of house cleaning. Hmm?
Okay.
Make sure you mop the house and make everywhere tidy. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
So you don't want to eat anything yet?
I'm fine.
You did not eat anything last night. And today you are doing the same. Please now eat.
I'm okay, but you're making it look as if there's food in this house. There's none.
There is. I already prepared rice.
Really? How did you do it?
Don't worry, I'll tell you later. Just go to dining and serve.
You mean there's food in this house?
Yes, I made rice.
Okay. So, what do you want me to do?
Go to the dining and sit down. Let me serve you.
Yes, ma. Let's go.
Mommy. Mommy. I'm back.
Where are you coming back from by this time of the night?
We're having extra moral lessons. And I bought bread and chocolate for us to have to eat this night.
Where did you get money from?
It's from the small money I've been saving.
Please, when next you need to come back home late, do let me know on time, okay?
Okay.
Eh? Meanwhile, go and freshen up. Let me come and make the tea for you.
Okay, and I'll be coming back late throughout this week because of the extra moral lessons. Oh God in heaven, bless and protect my mother Helen. Give her more money. Whatever the Satan has planned to collect her money, please send it back to them. Please give her money to take care of us and Auntie Jane. Protect her. More money to her account. Please, God. Give her so much money. Make her happy. I don't like seeing her sad. Please, God. Please, I ask of you.
Alright, so, Choma, your name was chosen among those in the school spelling competition.
Wow!
Yes, the junior section.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. So,
Yes.
when will the competition be taking place?
It will be here in Abuja on the 15th of next month. So what I want you to do right now is to go tell your mom about it because she'll follow you.
Okay, I'll do just that, sir. When I get into it, I'll let her know. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Mommy, I understand how you feel, but I just want to let you know that this condition will not last forever.
I'm fine. See, I'm fine.
I know that you're not fine. I want to let you know that the ant on the move does more than a dozen donkey. I prepared rice. Should I get it for you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. My school listed my name as one of the pupils that will be representing them in national spelling competition. It's to be held at Abuja.
You are not going. I said you are not going for that competition. You are not. Chioma, I said you are not going, and that's final. Please.
Chioma, has she told you why you will not attend the school competition or give you a reason?
Yes, sir. I tried to convince her, but she told me that she don't want to talk about it. But I really want to go to that.
Really?
Yes.
See, I really want you to attend that school competition. Tomorrow, of course, I bought the form for you myself because I believe in you. Okay? I know with you on our side, we'll win that competition. I don't even care about the school or anybody. I really want you to come for that school competition.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Why not come and talk to her yourself? Maybe she will see reasons with you.
Okay. Your mom, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will do that. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Okay, that's a nice suggestion. I will come to your house by 12 noon. Should be around?
Yes.
Alright, fine, do that. I'll come to your house.
What is this news I'm getting about you? That you go about stealing from your teachers? Is it true? So, where do you usually get money from? For us to buy bread and tea and cook rice and all those stuff?
I've been copying assignments for my classmates and they'll be paying me.
That's not true. Because this is not what I hear. This is not what I've been hearing from your teachers. I heard you've been going about stealing from them.
No. I copy assignments for my classmates and they pay me.
Are you sure you're telling me the truth? Please, I want you to be careful. I wouldn't want anybody to spoil your name. I wouldn't want anybody to say any rubbish about you. Just be very careful, okay? Eh? You can go.
Now, students write a letter to the Commissioner of Education telling him or her that he wants a renovation in your class and school. I'm understood. You have just 40 minutes to do that. I won't tell you if it's formal or informal, you know what to write. All I want to see is a letter to the Commissioner of Education telling him or her that he wants a renovation in the school. I don't want anybody to copy. Please do. Just. Hey, Junior.
I heard what you said. I am not doubting a little bit. But she's not going for that competition. Please. Especially from here to Abuja. With all those stories we have about Abuja and everything, kidnapping and robbery and everything. So you expect me to leave my child to travel all the way from here to Abuja? For what? People can easily get someone else to represent you in the competition. If the competition was holding around here, I would have allowed her to go at least so I can have my eye on her. So people should look for someone else, please.
Mama, you see, I've been begging you because you're the only one that can say yes to this movement. You see, Chioma is the only person that is fit for this competition. Huh? And this competition will expose her to a lot of things. A lot of big men and other better students. And not just that, madam. She will be rewarded with 5 million naira if she wins this school competition. And also a scholarship for a lifetime. Ma, you're the only one that can give an approval for her to go. And that is why I'm here. She's too brilliant for her to sit at home when she can go for a school competition and win. Please, ma, I don't know how to say this anymore, but you have to give it a second thought because your daughter is the best in class. I'm a senior staff in that school. I will make sure that her safety going and coming is of good hands. I'm coming here because I want her to go because she's very brilliant. I don't want her to waste her time in this house for nothing, ma. Please.
Are you done? She's not going. Huh? Whether 5 million naira, whether she's going to be the president there, my answer remains the same. She's not going. And please, I don't want to be rude. If there's nothing else for us to talk about, I have some things to do inside.
Ma, I said, it's 5 million.
Can't be it.
She from here?
I really want to go to this competition. My mother has toned everything down. What are we going to do?
That's exactly what I'm thinking ever since I left home inside. You know, I really want you to attend this school competition because I believe in you. I know you will definitely win this competition. I trust you. You know, I've been thinking ever since I spoke with your mom. I can take care of your finance. I can pay for your trip down there. I can even drive you there if possible. But my problem is, how will I take you out on the house without your mom knowing your whereabouts?
I don't know. Don't worry, sir. Before the end of school tomorrow, I'll come up with a plan.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice. I will be expecting that. I'm definitely praying for a good, positive return. All right, no problem, eh?
Please, Mom, please, allow me to go to this competition. It has always been my long desire to show the whole world my intense knowledge.
Choma, why are you this stubborn? Doing all this for you, don't you get it?
But I'm not going alone. Have the police as our security. Please, Mom, God has told me that I will not die before my time. Please allow me to go to this competition, please.
No. My answer is no. Don't disturb me, please.
Mommy.
Yes?
My friend here, her younger sister is celebrating her birthday party. Should I go? It will be at her house.
Chioma, birthday party starts at noon. Why do you want to go now?
I want to snap general picture. So as my friend, I want her to be part of it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. If you are going there, make sure you come back fast. Come back as soon as possible,
Yes.
since you have to attend the main event.
Okay, Mom.
Oh?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care. All right. My regards to your people.
Okay.
Chioma, be fast, eh?
Oh, there you go. Thank you very much for the support and your parents was a friend. I'll have to go now for the departure. Yes. Alright. Choma, your uniform is medical, so you're gonna put it on when you're ready. Let's go. Grab time.
The news at 6. Today, we recorded a champion of modern spelling competition. This girl, Chioma Ekene, beats all the 23 contestants with a far margin. In fact, she was almost named perfection and she has set a record of the new highest mark. This victory also gave her a full-time scholarship with a cash prize of 5 million naira. This is a new challenge to all teenagers out there. Boarded spelling competition returns next year.
5 million naira. Jesus. Hello? Hello?
Thank you very much.
Very much. I got mercy. So happy. Congratulations. You really made me proud.
Thank you.
Let's go inside. Oh, you thought I wanted to slap you?
Yes.
Let's go inside. Congratulations, yeah?